I'll go over here and I'll fix the other side. Let's see. Yeah, I think there's something there bolted to that one, so maybe the other one broke off. We'll see how that goes. I had to bend this fender, this bumper, to get this light to go back in here. I got it in there and I was able to use the original attachment up in here. This one over here was broke off, so I wasn't able to use it. So I've got a new radiator, a new thermostat, a new radiator cap. I actually replaced the overflow tank because the old overflow tank melted, believe it or not. It's got a hole melted in it right here and one melted in the other side. And I also noticed it's got some crap down in the bottom of it here, and I'm thinking that could be where it melted that radiator. It's just a plastic radiator and it could be the residue from that, but it also could be oil or transmission fluid. So I think what I'm going to do, this one is actually new and clean. I'm going to run it a few days and then I'll jerk this one out and have a look at what's in it. And if it's all clean, nice antifreeze, then I'll be all set. And if it's not, then I'll know that I might actually have a bad head or something, but you know, we'll know better then. This is, by the way, how you lose tools. You lay them up on your motor like this and you just drive off and leave them there. So anyway, having said that, I don't see any more tools sitting there. I'm going to close this thing up and set it back outside. It's starting to snow again. I want to get the Rambler in before it gets another layer of snow on it, and I'll call this a day. We'll go in and get cleaned up and we'll see what we can find to get into for the rest of the day.